Hi, today we're talking about customer registrations and we're going to understand how you can keep track of all the customer registrations that are happening in the business. So we have got a database at the bottom which speaks about all the customer records. Like we have the registration date, the customer status, the referral source, notes, and everything that you want to track. And if you scroll to the top, we have got a summarized view of all the databases that we have created at the bottom. So the first thing is it lists out all the customer records for your use case. And then we have got a new leads section where you can track of all the customers that are coming new to the business. So currently, if you see under the filter view, we have put the customer status as new over here. So if I'm going to change any of the customer status to new, it will automatically populate under the new leads. Then we have a registered customer section, which is being defined as per the different referral sources that we have. So currently we have one customer registered under the social media referral source. So if I'm going to change, let's say this one to registered view, it will automatically show under two different groupings. Then we have by source. So this means by which source the customer is coming to the business. So as we mentioned, we have social media, website, and referrals. So as we keep on adding more referral sources, it will start to populate over here. So this is a simple template which you can customize and make changes as well on your own end if you want to keep more records and more track of the customer registrations. But this is all that I wanted to discuss today about this template. One more thing I wanted to mention was about PDF output. PDF output is a tool that helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google document as a template, and it works with both Google Sheet as well as Notion database as the source of the file. So you can generate bulk invoice documents utilizing this information. And I've added a quick video demonstration at the bottom which you can check out of how you can generate invoice documents in bulk for your business. Besides this, if you have any queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you with any queries that you might have. Thank you. Have a great day.